Ever wondered what happens after your home goes under contract? Well, you are not alone. This crucial phase involves vital steps like home inspection and homeowner's insurance, and understanding these can ease your journey. So, buckle up as we delve into the journey that comes after your home goes under contract. First things first, a home inspection. But what exactly does that mean? Well, in a nutshell, a home inspection is a comprehensive review of the property you're hoping to buy. It's crucial because it uncovers any potential issues, from the roof to the foundation and everything in between. This inspection can even influence the final purchase price, as it might uncover repairs that need to be factored into the cost. So don't skip this step. Remember, a home inspection is your best defense against future property issues. Next up, homeowner's insurance, a crucial step that shouldn't be overlooked. It's not just a piece of paper, but a safety net for your biggest investment. Homeowner's insurance safeguards your home from unexpected disasters, theft, and even legal liabilities. It's necessary because, let's face it, life can throw curveballs. When choosing a policy, consider your home's value, location, and your own financial situation. Remember, the goal is to protect your home, your belongings, and your peace of mind. So, don't underestimate the power of a good homeowner's insurance policy. Finally, the closing process, the finish line of your home buying journey. This phase is all about wrapping things up. It starts with the final walkthrough, where you check that everything is as it should be. Then comes the paperwork, where you'll sign document after document to make it official. Don't forget about the closing costs. These are the fees you'll pay to finalize your mortgage. Once that's done, you're a homeowner. And there you have it, the steps you'll walk after your home goes under contract. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate the post-contract phase of home buying. We've covered home inspections, homeowner's insurance, and the closing process, each critical in securing your dream home. Remember, understanding these steps will help you navigate the home buying process with ease and confidence. Until next time, happy home buying.